in this time where people have become so casual with sex or with hookups, आपने बोला कि एक हैंडशेक और एक हग से भी आपके एनर्जी और आपके लाइफ में बहुत इम्पैक्ट होता है। वो आप पर्सन का कुछ ना कुछ कैरी कर रहे हो। व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली डूइंग सो मेनी हुकअप्स और यू एक्चुअली स्लीपिंग अराउंड विद सो मेनी पीपल?
So whenever there is a physical intimacy of any kind, any kind, whether the sex is happening or not, doesn't matter. There is energy exchange. वो हो रहा है, and at very higher degree.
Okay, so even like
So
a kiss
yeah,
and all of
there is exchange of
high
energy.
energy. Okay.
Yeah. So now what happens? When we say कि हम लोग energy exchange करते हैं तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? So when people are having, let's say, hookups or sexual activity, the energy exchange is not just at energy level, but quality is also exchanged.
Qualities.
Qualities. So, for example, a person has some qualities, very loving, maybe a kind person. Other person is not that. Other person is very willful, very strict and straightforward person. But when they repeatedly interact, there is energy exchange, and they start exchanging the qualities of each other. So it's a good and bad both. If you are having a regular relationship, physical relationship with somebody, जो आपके लेवल पे वाइब्रेट करता है, तो आप दोनों की जो अच्छी क्वालिटीज़ है वो एक्सचेंज हो जाएगी। दैट इज़ बेनिफिट। इफ इट इज़ हैपनिंग विद टू मेनी पीपल, देन इट्स लाइक यू आर गेटिंग कंटामिनेटेड बिकॉज़ यू डोंट नो द लाइफ ऑफ अदर पर्सन विथ whom you are spending your life. For example, committed relationship है, you know that person a lot compared to any other relationship. So because you know that person, you know what you are getting into, what kind of energy is coming. You can observe कि I'm changing. But कुछ जगहों पे हुकअप हो गया, उसके बाद चेंज आ गया, बट यू आर नॉट नोटिसिंग कि इस वजह से आया होगा। सो इट्स अ कंटामिनेशन। इट्स लाइक यू गो समटाइम्स टू अ प्लेस जहाँ पे बहुत पोल्यूशन है, एंड वो पोल्यूशन से आपको इम्पैक्ट हो गया, अब कुछ दिनों तक रहेगा वो, फिर आप ठीक हो जाओगे, देन इट इज़ ओके, बट इट इज़ अफेक्टिंग योर इम्यून सिस्टम, योर डिफेंस सिस्टम।
Okay.
तो वैसे ही सेक्सुअल या फिजिकल रिलेशनशिप।
आई थिंक काफ़ी कन्फ्यूजन भी एनर्जी में क्रिएट
या
कर सकता है बिकॉज़ एज़ यू सेड यू आर कंटामिनेटेड सो
एग्जैक्टली, यूल फाइंड कंफ्यूज हो गए हम लोग, कंफ्यूजन हमेशा कंफ्यूज, देयर इज नो क्लैरिटी। व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर मिक्सिंग सो मेनी एनर्जीज, लाइक यू वांट टू गो फॉर एन एजुकेशन and you have 10 education counselors. It doesn't work because everybody will give you different opinion. You will be completely confused, right? So clarity kab aata hai? When there is one. So when committed relationship is different. If it is casual hookups, it's not good. Especially if you, because you don't know what that person is hooking up somewhere other also. Just like you are hooking up with that person is hooking up somewhere else. Now that person is carrying energy from there and giving it to you. Now maybe you feel that this person is, good emotionally, mentally, spiritually भी मैं थोड़ा एक लेवल पे मैच कर पा रही तो या कर पा रहा हूँ, it's okay. But you don't know what this person is doing with other people and what kind of those people are.
या
So that's why it's not very healthy energetically. You need to know about the person a little bit more, I guess. And another thing, yes, it affects at all the levels, physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. At all the levels, it affects.
ओके
हाँ.
एंड एज़ यू सेड दैट यू आर गोइंग टू कैरी दोज़ कॉर्ड्स विथ यू सो कैन यू टेल मी वो कितने टाइम तक कैरी कर सकते हो आप किसी के साथ अगर आपने फिजिकल इंटीमेसी किया है तो कब तक आप वो कैरी कर रहे हो
If
उसके
it is too casual, maybe few days. But if it was a relationship, longer term relationship, a physical relationship happened, and now there is a breakup, it may take years. So it depends.
ओके
या सो बिकॉज पैटर्न बन गया, एनर्जी हमारे सिस्टम में बहुत लंबे समय से है, तो उसे निकालना इतना आसान नहीं। समटाइम्स यू नीड हेल्प, लाइक पीपल कम टू अस फॉर दिस काइंड आल्सो, दैट दे वेंट थ्रू ब्रेकअप। It's not always romantic. Sometimes relationship with our parents also, like you lose a parent, grief is there. So grief is, now we know because somebody left the body, but when somebody leaves you, it's nothing but kind of grief. Person is not in your life, but that those memories, the energy is still there. So healing can help there also, by the way, to get rid of that energy which you don't want it anymore, you want to move on. So it helps you in moving on.
ओके
People come to us for moving on, by the way. Now why? Because it's very tough, because when you spend a lot of time with the person, you invested your energy, and because there is investment, there is attachment. Everything, wherever we have investment, we have attachment.
100%
Right? You invested your time and energy, so you feel like अरे ऐसे कैसे, that's why जब इंसान जाता है तो you feel like ऐसे कैसे जा सकता है, because now you are feeling कि your investment is failing, इट इज़ बैड इन्वेस्टमेंट, तो वो एक्सेप्टेंस भी नहीं होता कि मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट चला गया, वेस्ट हो गया सब कुछ। सो हीलिंग हेल्प्स, इट अलाउज यू टू लेट गो विद दैट एनर्जी।
ओके
व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड, इट्स ओके, मूव ऑन। kind of. Yeah.
Is
It
it
also helps in but healing the relationship. Let's say something is going wrong. Now why? Because earlier energy was matching, now it is not matching. Because you have different workplace, different friends, the other person has different workplace, different place. Most of the time you are in a very different energy field. तो अब पहले मैच हो रहा था, you fell in love. अब मैच नहीं हो रहा है. So that's why eventually love starts fading. Fade हो रहा है love. It's not the same intensity जो पहले था. So you need to again come back to the same level. Here healing helps.
okay?
Because कुछ और chords है जो आपको अलग-अलग pull कर रहे हैं. So when you let go of that, remove that anger energy, remove that misunderstanding wala energy, again you come back, and then again you can have a good life. So every relationship goes through a tough time. But if you use healing, you can again live a same life with same passion, same intimacy, same understanding. Again, it is possible.